In this video, I am discussing 6th standard mathematics, Ganita Prakasha, Unit 7, fractions. See this? One pizza making 4 equal parts, taking one part separately. In that 4 equal part, taking one part. This is a pizza. Yes, one pizza dividing into 4 equal parts and taking one parts. Now, formal definition for fraction. Fraction. A fraction is a number. Fraction is a number that represent a part of a whole or a part of a group. Represent a part of a whole or part of a group. For example, we saw in a video one pizza dividing into 4 equal parts and considering one part. This is a whole part, whole pizza dividing into 4 equal parts and considering this part as 4 equal parts considering one part. It is written in the form A by P or X by Y or M by N, anything. It is in the form of P by Q. Here A shows the number of parts taken. The number of parts taken. In a pizza, we are taking one part. Therefore, the number of parts taken here, 1. And B denotes or B shows the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Here B not equal to 0. This is A by B. A here 1, B here 4. Dividing it into 4 equal parts. Recall that when some whole number of things are shared equally among some number of people, fraction tell us how much each share is. That means here. Do you remember if one roti is divided equally between 2 children? This is one roti dividing between 2 equal children. How much roti will each child get? That means whole roti dividing into 2 persons equally, dividing 2 parts. Total number of parts 2, taking one part. That's why 1 by 2, 1 by 2 roti. The fraction 1/2 is written as 1 by 2. We also sometimes read this as 1 upon 2. We read it as 1 upon 2 or 1 by 2. Yes. If one roti equally shared among 4 children, here 4 children are there, total number of parts 4, one roti, how much will one child get? That means total number of parts here 4, this person get one part. That means 1 by 4. 1 upon 4 or 1 by 4. Each will get 1 by 4 parts. Each child gets 1/4 roti. Fractional units and equal share. Fractional units and equal share. Here, story is there. Benny, which fraction is greater than 1/5 or 1/9? Arvin, 9 is bigger than 5. So I would guess that 1/9 is greater than 1/5. Am I right? No. Because that is a common mistake. Think of these fractions as shares. Here, one roti is shared among 5 children. One roti is shared among 5 children. Each one gets share of 1/5 roti. One roti shared among 5 children. Here, next one. If one roti is shared among 9 children, each one gets 1/9 roti. That's why here 1/9 less than 1/5, or else 1/5 is greater than 1/9. When one unit is divided into several equal parts, each part is called, when one unit is divided into several equal parts, each part is called fractional unit. These are all fractional units. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/10, 1/50, 1/100, etc. are all fractional units, and so on. We also sometimes refer to fractional unit as unit fractions. Unit fractions. Unit fractions. See, figure it out. Fill in the blanks with the fractions. 3 guavas. Here 3 guavas are there. Like this. 3 guavas weigh 1 kg. These weigh 1 kg. If they are roughly of the same size, all are equal size, each guava will roughly weigh dash kg. That means 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3/3 means 1 kg. This is 1 kg. That means each weigh 1/3 kg. Simple. Next, a wholesale merchant packed 1 kg of rice in a 4 packets. That means like this. In 4 packets of equal weight. All are containing equal weight. The weight of each packet is dash kg. That means 1 kg is divided into 4 equal parts. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram. Here 1 kg is dividing into 4 equal parts. That means 250, 250 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram. But they given in kg. Dash kg. They are asking dash kg. That's why here 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. 4/4. It means 4/4 is equal to 1 kg. That means each is 1/4 kg. This is the right answer. Next, Four friends ordered 3 glasses of sugarcane. 3 glasses of sugarcane. Four friends, sugarcane, 3 glasses, like this. There are 4 friends are there, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four friends ordered 3 glasses of sugarcane juice and shared equally among themselves. Each one drank dash glass of sugarcane juice. Here, make this as four equal parts. That means 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 4 equal parts. One part for this person, second part for this person, third part for this person, and fourth part for this person. In all 3 glasses, they take like this in a 4 equal parts. In 4 total number of persons, 4, they get 3 by 4. Each one get 3 by 4. That means 4 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Total number of glasses 3. Yes, each one get 3 by 4 glass of sugarcane juice. Like this. Fourth one. The big fish weigh 1 by 2 kg. Small one weigh 1 by 4 kg. Together they weigh dash kg. Here 2 fishes are there of weight 1 by 2 kg and 1 by 4 kg. We know that LCM for 2 and 4 is 4. 4 2s are 2 2s are 4. 4 ones are 4. That means 2. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. That means 3 by 4 kg. Together they weigh 3 by 4 kg. This much for in this video. Another one is there. Arrange these fractions in order of size from smallest to the biggest in the empty box below. 1, 1.5. 1.5. 1.5 means this. 3/4. 3/4. That means 3 by 4. 1.25. 1.25 means 1.25 means like this. 1.25. 1.25. 2.5. 2.5 means like this. Quarter means 1 by 4. 1.5 means 1.5, like this. They are asking 1.5 means 1.5. Arrange these fraction words in order of size from smallest to the biggest. Smallest here, quarter. Next, this 1 3/4. Next, 1 1 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2 1/2. This much for in this video. In the next video, I will discuss fractional units as a part of a whole. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.